Six Sigma Techniques in Total Quality Management. Welcome to this presentation on Six Sigma Techniques in Total Quality Management, TQM, featuring insights from engineer Wahaj Faisal by the Pakistan Engineering Council. Introduction and context. Engineer Abdul Rahman from the Pakistan Engineering Council welcomes participants to this CPD webinar. The course is essential for engineers to earn the CPD points required for professional registration and advancement. PC offers webinars, hybrid, and physical lectures nationwide, starting February 2025 to support engineers in meeting CPD requirements and eligibility for the professional engineer exam. About the speaker. Engineer Wahaj Faisal is a senior management professional with 20 years of global experience in quality systems, digital transformation, and Six Sigma. He holds certifications including ISO 9001 ratio 2000 and degrees in industrial engineering and engineering management. He is active in ASQ and international quality forums. Speaker's contributions. Wahaj has contributed to major quality publications and served as a speaker and reviewer at global conferences on Six Sigma, Industry 4.0, and digital quality. He supports national institutions and industry Pakistan in capacity building and upskilling professionals in quality management. Presentation overview. Evolution of Six Sigma and quality management. Current Six Sigma frameworks and methodologies. Competence and skill requirements for Six Sigma programs. Individual professional skill sets for participation. Success stories and examples will be shared throughout. Historical quality management foundations. Modern quality management began in the 20th century, shaped by post-World War II economic rebuilding and quality gurus from the US and Japan. Dr. W. Edwards Deming, known as the father of quality management, introduced the PDCA, Plan Do Check Act, continuous improvement cycle, foundational to all management systems today. Key quality gurus and their contributions. Dr. Joseph Juran developed the Quality Handbook and promoted quality education worldwide. Philip Crosby introduced the concept of cost of quality, distinguishing the costs of good vs poor quality. Dr. Amo Feigenbaum advanced cost of quality models and quality control philosophies. Dr. Parsuram Parasuraman created the SERVQUAL model, widely used in service industries. Global impact of quality management. Deming's teachings helped Japan become a global economic power by applying statistical quality control in manufacturing and services. Juran 9 Handbook and Crosby 9 frameworks continue to influence quality practices worldwide, supported by ongoing research and collaboration among professionals. Looking ahead. Quality management continues evolving with Industry 4.0 and digital transformation, requiring new skills and frameworks. Upcoming CPD courses and workshops will deepen the understanding and application of Six Sigma and total quality management for engineering professionals. Thank you for joining this journey towards sustainable organizational excellence. Thanks for watching. By Wahaj Faisal.